Hello guys, welcome back. I'm here with another exciting video and which would be giving you a lot of stress when you're especially working with Excel. And whenever we do lookups, we generally have a lot of problem when the values are being duplicated. When we have the same thing repeating, then the lookup creates a lot of trouble for us. So today's video, we are going to address this problem. This had come in one of my training sessions, that if we have a duplicate value, how do we look up all the values? Now initially, so let me just quickly switch to Excel and show you. You will see this part number is repeating and there are repetitive invoice numbers against this part number, and we want to locate all those invoice numbers which are there against this part number. So initially, if you were using a lower version of Excel, then say for example 2010, then you would have had to make a combination of multiple functions and then you need to do it. But with the introduction of a new function in 2013, and that is filter, our life has become very easy. So let us understand how we can get these values. Simple. Now since this is a word, this data is in rows, we want to make it in columns. So we are going to first use the transpose function. As you all know, transpose makes the data from vertical to horizontal, horizontal to vertical. So transpose, then we use the function filter, and then we say array. Array means we want the data from which column. So we want the data from this column. Then include, we want to search this value. Okay, now I'm going to simply lock the column. Equal to, I want to search it in the part number column. Now remember, this is an array function. Now you would have understood or probably used array functions sometimes before, but let me tell you, array functions, we have done XLOOKUP in our previous video. XLOOKUP is another array function, and this is one of the array functions which is very important for you to looking up. Okay, so if you apply function at one location, other data is automatically generated. So this is the beauty of this function. If empty, I just wanted to give space and then I press enter, I get the duplicate values. You will see this works as an array function. I got all the values and I'm just going to drag the function down and I'm going to get all the values. So this is a very easy way of locating duplicate values. I have used the transpose function to make the data from horizontal to vertical, and then I have used the filter function to locate the invoice numbers, and these corresponding part numbers I have been helping it locate in this particular column. And if there is no data, then obviously it is going to return space. It is not going to return any other error. So that's the beauty of this function. Very easy, super easy to use. So I hope you like this video. So please, thank you for all the love you're giving to my channel, and I would be coming up with more and more interesting videos. Thank you so much. God bless you.